Hello lovely people. So today we'll be talking about HTML. So in our previous video I taught you guys how to download and install the Visual Studio Code, and I also explained some advantages of using Visual Studio Code over the Notepad. So when one opens the Visual Studio Code, this is the first interface one will see. And in order for one to start programming in HTML, as I said earlier, today's topic will be discussing about HTML. One first needs to go to the file, click on it, go to the new file, and a new page will be opened. The main idea behind this is Visual Studio has organized their software in a sense that one can use the same application to write different kinds of programs in different tabs. An example is like comparing it to a Google Chrome browser or an Internet Explorer browser. You can realize one can open a tab doing a different thing and also another tab to do a different thing. That is the main idea behind Visual Studio Code's app. That is why I advise you guys earlier to use it. It's better than using the Notepad. So, after creating the new tab, if we want to write our codes in HTML, what we need to do is to go to the plain text, click on it, then write HTML, then click on the HTML. After that, we will save it. I'll save mine at desktop, and I'll make it class. CLASS class. Save. Okay. The reason why I did this is that if we don't select the plain text to HTML, then the program won't recognize that we are writing our codes in HTML. But after doing that, the program will then load all details and all functions of HTML to assist us in our coding. As I said earlier, with the Notepad, we need to memorize every code, which is more intensive and more tedious. But with the Visual Studio Code, it will help us in writing our code. Okay. So if we want to start writing codes in HTML, the first thing we will do is to write this. Okay. And also I'm coming. If we want to zoom in, we will press Ctrl and the plus to zoom in. Okay. If we were to be using a Notepad, if you can realize immediately I type the less than sign HTML greater than, and I press the enter, automatically it gave me this. Whenever we see this sign with a slash, it means an instruction has come to an end. And if we see another instruction without a slash, it means now an instruction has begun. So if I write something like this, this one means the class has started, this one means the class has ended. So everything that is being written here is within the class. The moment it comes out, it's outside the class, and anything outside the class can't be categorized under the class. That is the main idea behind HTML. So whenever we see this, it means HTML has commenced its instructions, or it has begun its instructions. Okay. So HTML starts with this and ends with this. And let us compare HTML to a human being. Humans have a body we use in our daily activities. Of course, we have our head, we have our lower body, and we have our legs. Same thing too applies to HTML. Let us say the HTML is the name of the program. If we want to move to the next step, we write our head, press our enter, then we write our title. Maybe we can name it class. Okay. So what I just wrote, or what I have just written, is a step-by-step way in writing programs in HTML. So immediately we moved from the HTML, we went to the head and then the title. One needs to know, say, the title is always in the head. It's like writing a letter. The title is the head. The title is always in the head. That is the idea, or should I say, that is the conception of HTML. And from the head, we can then move to the body. You see, so HTML arranges its tags in a way that won't confuse the user, and it is segmentally arranged, or should I say systematically arranged. From the HTML they went to the head, and you can see in the head there is the title. So wherever we see the title, we must know say the title is in the head, and when we move from the head we went to the body. So in the body, that is where we'll be writing our instructions. An example is if in the body I write I am a good boy and I save it. So this is the class. Let me open it. You see, I am a good boy. It has been saved as it has been displayed as I am a good boy. Let me open it again. So anything I write in the body will be displayed. So this is our first website we've created. It's an empty website though. So let me see. Today I will learn a lot. Let me save it. Let me reload it. So this is like a first website we are creating though. Although it's a blank page, but it's a step-by-step thing. Okay. So that is the body. And also, if you can recollect what I said earlier, everything is created in the body. When we are using HTML, everything is created in the body. So our next step, I'll teach you some things or some instructions that can be inserted into the body to make the body more interactive. An example, if we want to write a heading in HTML, all we need to do is to open let me clean this. You just write H, close it, and maybe class is dull today. Let me save it. So the class is dull today. Okay. And also, maybe if we want the heading to be bold, bold means making the writings more thick. I'll just write B. If you can see, I always make sure the tags are in, not out. B. Okay. As you can see, it became bold. So class is down today. So on and so forth. So I can be writing. I'll save it. I'll open. But if you can realize, upon all my writing, after writing this, I pressed enter, went to the next line, pressed enter, went to the next line. But in my web page, all was written horizontally. The reason being, using HTML is not like writing on a sheet of paper. You see, when we want to move to the next line, there is a code we need to enter, and it's called break, but it has been shortened to BR. So what we will do is we just write BR, come down, BR, come down, BR. With the BR, because it tells the instruction to move to the next line, it only has an open tag. It doesn't have a close tag. So let me save it. So as you can see, so after this it went to the next line, after that it went to the next line, after that it went to the next line. All right. Let me clean the body. Okay, so that is the first step in using HTML. So let me say, in case we want to upload a picture onto our web page, what we will do is we will just write our tag img. Img means image. Give it a space, write src. Actually, I don't know the meaning of src, so write the src and bring your quotation. Whenever we see an equal to sign in HTML, we must make sure we bring our quotations to enclose the instruction the equal to sign is talking about. So within it, we will tell, or we will write the location of the picture. So if my picture is at C, and the name of the picture is selfie.jpg. Yeah. So when I'm done, I'll write the width of the picture, maybe 200. Then the height of the picture, maybe 400, and then I'll close it. And also, if we are uploading something like a picture and a video onto HTML, there is no need for us to bring a closing tag. All we need to do is to write our opening tag. So let me save it. Open and load. So as you can see, so this is the picture I uploaded. Okay, and in case we also want to upload a video to our HTML, let us try another thing. First of all, I'll press my break, if you can remember, then the video. But one thing about the video is a little bit complex because the video has controls that will make the video play, and also has this forward instructions, so on and so forth. So uploading a video is quite tricky and it's quite different from that of the image. So first of all, if one wants to upload a video, this is what one will do. Okay, so video src src So with a video, one needs to open a tag. Then in the tag we can write our source src. Sorry, I'm coming. We need to write the video. We write our width, maybe 300. We write our height, maybe 400. We come to here. So within the video, the video has a tag. Unlike the picture, it has only an opening tag, but with the video it has an opening tag and a close tag. So in the tag of the video, we write our src equal to the location mp4. That is my location. And also the type of video, the file type, I write the type. So it's a video, it's an mp4 file, mp4. So let us see what happens. So as you can see, the video has been uploaded, but it has no controls. I'm clicking and nothing is playing. Why? Because I've only uploaded the video, but I haven't uploaded the controls of the video. So we need to call the control of the video. So what I'll do is I'll go back to the video tag, the opening tag, space and press control. Then I'll save it. See, whenever I do like this, what I do is I just press alternate plus tab, or I can just click here and it will open, or here, but I press alternate and tab. So controls, right? Let me save it, reload it. So as you can see, now the control has come. I have nothing, but they are so in my heart. I'm rejoicing. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's lessons, and I hope you guys understood everything. And if there is anything bothering you, the tutors will be online from 9 a.m. to 11 p.m. So anything bothering you, you can just link up with the tutors on WhatsApp or Telegram. And also students can join anytime from 9 to 11, anytime, because the video is short. Anytime, just watch the video. Anything bothering you, we are there to assist. We are just making the world better for everybody to understand everything. Thank you very much.